Check this out. It's alive, baby. It's alive.
Like a Hellcat.
All right, 2014 Toyota FRS, 95,000 miles, with a fender bender. For what I can see, I don't see any damage. Do you? I don't see any damage on this at all. Oh, right there. You see that? That's it. This side, what's wrong with this side? I don't see nothing on this side. Wheel door's missing. It says repair. This right here. Blend. This little scratch. That. Door handle is missing. It's got a. This could be repaired easily. You got frame damage. Possibly. You see this crease right here? That's the frame damage. What are they talking about? Come on. This is all tweaked a little bit. That's it. Unfortunately, I came too late. This car is already sold. That's the frame damage. Wow, that's nothing. That's nothing really. We gotta paint this little piece right here. Wow, man. Remove and replace this little dents. Fix this. Looks like all the parts are here, but it does look like this car had a rough life. Look at the steering wheel. Yeah, I don't know. I tried to open the trunk, but it wouldn't, and it does have a power on it. So, plus it smells funky. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's got all the things that need to be done here. I don't know, it looks like a pretty easy repair. Oh, it does have a broken windshield, but it's already sold, so better luck for next time. Let's move on. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you the point of view now. I'm gonna do this, all three of these trucks. Alright guys, I'm gonna do something I never done before. I'm gonna give you the Copart walk around point of view. So you're gonna be looking at what I'm looking at. And we're gonna start with this Dodge Ram 350. As you can see, it's got a beautiful interior. It's got some paperwork right here. We don't want to share that information with nobody. Look, it's got a clean, very clean interior. Very clean. Oh, it's missing something here. The door handle or something. The bed, it's got some trash. Normal. Let's walk around. I don't see any damage or dings to the side, except the door. It's got a thing on the door. It's a dually, so it's got decent sized tires, and they look to be brand new. So brand new tires. Let's walk around. It is a 4x4 model. I don't see any dings or damages right here. Let's open the doors. Very, very clean interior. Is this a third seat? Yeah, it is a third seat. Very clean. Very clean interior. The seats can be folded. Storage on the bottom. Very clean interior. It's got the Cummins turbo diesel Ram 350 heavy duty. Let's look at the hood. At the engine. It is missing the two batteries. As you can see, they're both missing. Makes me kind of suspicious as to why they will be both missing. These engines are known to be running for a long time. It's got damage to the front. Oh, let's see over here. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Pretty bad. Suspension looks to be okay. Alright, well that's one. Let's move on to this GMC. Well, I can see a blown airbag right there, and I can see damage to this side. C71 4x4 with 96,000 miles. Another blown airbag. And again, you guys are seeing exactly what I'm looking at. This is the Copart point of view. What do you guys think? If you like this, let me know. Try to keep making them like that. That's in the back. Oh, pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. The seats also fold. I can barely squeeze in there. Let's look at the engine. If I can find the hood release. There it is. He gave me a hint of marijuana here somewhere. 96,000 miles. I don't know if we're gonna be able to open the hood. Yes, we are. Oh, there you go. Alright, so what are we looking at? We got the transmission oil. Let's check that real quick. That's a long dipstick. There you go. Looks pretty clean. Come on now. Get in, you. Okay. Where's the oil dipstick? It's right there. Engine looks to be alright as well. Big V8 engine. I don't see any leaks or fluid anywhere. I only see this damage right here, and this is very minimal. Looks like just the bumper, crash bar. We can probably leave it. Let's see the rear. Right here, this right here. You got the tools. The seats fold easily. Very clean interior. A lot of trash in the back of the truck. What do you guys think? Yes, no? Leave it in the comment, guys. Alright, let's do the next one. Alright guys, so this is a Ford F250 diesel as well. This one looks to be in a really bad shape. You can see it looks like a tree fall on it or something. Crushed the whole bed. The whole yeah. See that? That was a tree that fell off. Interior looks to be pretty disgusting. Extremely dirty. It's got 2 broken windows, broken windshield. The stereo is missing. Oh, it's right there on the floor. Cables hanging out. I'm not even sure I want to even keep looking on this one, wasting time. See, the dash is even coming apart. You see that? No, this is a no-go for sure. No-go. The only good thing on this is the tires. Power stroke diesel V8 F250 Super Duty. But it's seen better days. Alright guys. Let's moving on. Or let's keep moving on. There you go. Alright guys, here we got a 2019 Toyota VRC with undercarriage damage. It is 2019 with 15,000 miles, and as you can see, the damage is pretty severe. I mean, they had to cut this cross member, and I don't know what that. I think maybe the radiator support. It's also missing the turbo, whatever that was in here. I'm not sure. You let me know. The belt is off. Everything else here is missing. It says undercarriage damage, but I don't know how bad it is. It does have oil, and all the parts are inside the vehicle. What it looks like, at least the bumper is. The bumper and some metal pieces and the shields for underneath. 2019. Look at nice, beautiful interior. It is a stick shift, but I don't know. It may take a lot of money to fix this. What do you guys think? Will you guys be able to take on something like that? Or will you be willing to do that? I'm not. That seems like a lot of money. A lot of money. My goodness, look at what happened to you, man. What happened to you? Alright, you guys. Well, let's move on. Alright, guys. 2017 Mercedes, 39,000 miles. Oh, we got keys and power. Beautiful interior. Will it start? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Will it go into gear? Driver door open and transmission not in park. Okay, let's close the door. Okay. Will it go into gear? Yes. Oh, look at that. Awesome. It does go into gear. Park. Beautiful, beautiful interior. It's got the sunroof. This is gonna cost a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. Let's go check the engine. Wow, beautiful. I don't see any damage on this at all. Where was it hit? Oh, I see it. See that? So it's held by wires. Yeah, this is a lot more damage than. Let's turn it off. Yeah, for sure this one is being dug up already. Pliers. I hate when people do that. Okay, so let's see. We got damage on the front end. I can see the radiator condenser are all busted. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that right there. It looks like, yeah, see that? This piece is hanging off or hanging loose. I don't see any damage on the bottom of the car. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? It's bringing me flashbacks from when I had the Mercedes. Yeah, I can see the headlights. The bulbs are missing. See, wires hanging loose. It's all held by wires. Let's see if I can bring it deep inside the engine bay. Can you see that? That's not factory. Man, oh man. The interior is gorgeous. Very nice, clean leather interior. It seats 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. It fits 7 people. He's got the power lift tailgate. He has this that's pretty cool. Power rear seats. That's pretty convenient. 12 volts charger. We have the spare tire. Everything looks good on the back, but the front, man, the front is that worries me. It's 39,000 miles. They left the pliers here for when they were doing all the wiring and stuff to make it look better. What do you guys think? This goes back in. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Storage, nice. I cannot believe it. Oh shit, hold on. Okay, let's see. Let's try that again. Oh shit, look at that. Automatic. It's a beautiful, beautiful truck. Well, we must move on. Let's go. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's episode. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. That being said, I'll catch you guys very, very soon on the next one. Peace. God bless.